Welcome to this eSafety support video. In this video we're going to look at the tools that are included in the Premium Plus package to allow you to distribute your eSafety policy. So here we are at the Premium Plus dashboard, and we have all the tools related to the eSafety policy wizard here. We've generated the policy already. And so we have a number of options. We can view the policy at any time as text by clicking on this link, and we get the policy rendered out here. We could obviously copy and paste that somewhere if we wanted to. If we return to the dashboard, we can see that we have another option here, which is to render that policy out again, but this time as a PDF document. And with the PDF, obviously, we can then distribute that any way we see fit, either by emailing it from within our own school systems, or by publishing it on the school intranet or the school website. Another option you have here is to link your generated policy to be accessible from your school website. This is something we've been asked for, as many people want to allow access to the policy for parents and the wider school community. So if you click on here, simply by copying this code here and pasting it into a page on your school's website, this will provide a link which will allow people to click and to view the eSafety policy. The eSafety policy that they view there is the current version, so if you edit it, it is automatically up-to-date edited for anyone that follows that link. The other part of this obviously is allowing the system to distribute your policy for you. We have another couple of options here. This is the policy distribution list builder, which allows you to add names of staff for whom the policy should be sent. We can enter the names here and enter that list. There's also an option to import a distribution list from a CSV file, for instance, but I'll cover that in a different video. So the main work of the distribution tool is on the distribution dashboard, which lives under this link, the distribute your policy. And here we have our distribution dashboard. As you can see, we haven't currently made any distribution mails, and we don't have anybody in our distribution list. So let's work through and correct both of these. First of all, let's create a new mail out. Okay, so this is a view of the email that will be sent out to your distribution list, which instructs them to follow this link here to come and read your policy. The link is to the live policy, so if you edit the policy between sending out the mail and somebody following the link, it will be the latest version that they actually see. We don't send the policy out to them, we send a link for them to come and view it. You can edit the reply to address, the subject, and any of the body copy within the email. The only thing you can't edit is this section here, which instructs the recipient on how to read the policy and what to do when they've read it. So you can edit the sign off and the from name as well. So I don't want to edit any of that now, so I'm going to hit save, and that has created a new distribution for me. Now this hasn't been sent yet, we've purely got this ready to go. As you can see here, there's no responses. We've got an alert here telling us that the distribution list is empty, which means we can't actually send it out anyway. We can edit this, and we can edit the email at any point up until we actually send the distribution out. Once we send it out, you can no longer edit it. So obviously we need some people to send this out to. Now you can add them one at a time using this list. Which I'll show you now. So let's just send out an example here, and And we'll add that, which should automatically update here, yes. And you can add any number in through this and delete them at will as well. As I said, I'll cover importing from a list in a different video. So you can see now that we've added a list, we've now got the option to send the email out to distribute the policy. So I'll do that now. Okay, so that's now been sent, and we've got an update there as to when that was sent. We can see that there was one person on the distribution list. You can see that one there, and that nobody has responded so far. We can see that now the mail out has been sent, we can no longer edit this email, but we do have a details link. So if we click on this, it tells us the current state of that mail out. In this box we'll get a list of everyone that has responded, and in this box is a list of all the people who are yet to respond, along with a count. There's just the one in this case. And as a reminder, here's the email that we sent out. It is possible at intervals to resend an email to anybody that appears on the non-responsive list, in case they've lost the email or overlooked it, or you just want to give them a bit of a prompt. And we do that by clicking this button here, and that will resend the email to that list. So if we go back to our dashboard here, so probably we want to look at this from the point of view of recipients on the distribution list. So if we look at them, what happens is they receive an email, and here's the inbox, and here's their email. And within that email, it tells them details we've seen with the copy that was in that email mail out, and a link here to click to view the policy. So if we click this link, it opens up a view of the policy for them to read. And at the bottom of the page, once they've read it, there is a checkbox and a confirmation. So if they try and confirm this, nothing happens. If they hit the checkbox and hit confirm, they get a message here saying that the response has been acknowledged. If we go back and refresh our policy dashboard, we can see that we've now got one response every one. We've got 100% response rate. If we have a look at the details there, you see that we've got a legend here that says everyone has responded, and Ian has moved on to the responded list. You can create as many mail outs as you like. Probably it's the kind of thing you'd like to do if you update the policy, for instance. So you might create a new mail out that says we have updated our policy, and likewise you might want to add something here, and so that will create another mail out for us, which we can send now, edit, and do all the same things do. Thank you.